I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening your document and placing the cursor exactly where the image will go. This decides flow and wrapping. Next, choose Insert, then Image, and pick Upload, Drive, Photos, URL, or Camera. Use the fastest source. Upload works for local files, Drive links keep version control, and URL inserts from the web. Make sure the file format suits the content: JPG for photos, PNG for graphics or transparency. Once done, the image appears inline, and you can move on to sizing and positioning. You now refine size and layout so the image fits the content. Click the image and drag a corner handle to resize while preserving aspect ratio. Then pick a text wrapping option. Wrap text keeps flow around the image, break text creates a separate block, and inline treats it like a character. Open image options to set exact size, rotation, and position. Add alt text to explain the image for screen readers. Make sure to use margin sliders or numeric fields for precise spacing. Finish by checking alignment and file weight so the doc loads for everyone. Use position settings to anchor the image or group it with nearby objects to keep layout intact. If the document is slow, compress the image locally or replace it with a lower resolution version. This reduces load time without losing visible quality. If an image won't load, make sure the file size isn't too large, confirm drive sharing permissions, or link access, and verify your internet connection before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.